What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Awesome Rips channel. In today's box rip, we are cracking into the Topps 75th Anniversary Series 1 Super Box. We got 10 14 card packs, one exclusive oversized pack, one exclusive 5 card silver foil board pack, one miniature Funko in this box. Chase cards for this box are going to be 75 years of Topps, black border, die cut, aquafoil, profiles, and cover athletes. Before we crack into this, please subscribe to the channel, would really appreciate that. But with that being said, let's crack into this and see what we get. First things first, our one oversized card is going to be accompanied by Nick Kurtz on the Topps 75th Anniversary card. Nice rookie card there. Got our jumbo card. Who other than Shohei Ohtani? Awesome way to start this box off. Hopefully that's a good sign. Brian Wu. Hunt rookie. Freeman. Garcia. Gore. Brito rookie. Cody Clemens. Dalton Russian on the Future Stars. ERA leaders for Scooble, Brown, and Crochet. Zach Maxwell rookie. Jorge Solar. Ober. 75th anniversary for Jack Cagliani, or Caglione, on throwback jersey there, and Kyle Teal rookie on the MLB Stars of the Game insert. Sean Murphy. Warren. Jacob Melton rookie. Bo Naylor. Tigers team card. Yelich. Esquitino. Bednar. Ian Seymour rookie. Bat. Ronald Acuna Jr. Hunter Brown. Alejandro Kirk, and Fernando Tatis on the Titans of the Game insert. Urias. Edmundo Sosa. Perkins rookie. Bregman. Yamamoto. Pedro. Caminero. Carson Williams rookie. Jota Iminaga. Mookie. Jacob Young. Athletics team card. Jackie Hornug on the first pitch. Never seen one of those before. And Fernando Tatis on the Stars of the Game. Spencer Horwitz. Corey Melton rookie. Boyd. Okelm Gonzalez rookie. Royce Lewis. Future Stars Spencer Schwellenbach. Home run leaders Johan Heim. Samuel Basallo rookie. Casey Mize. Donovan. Houston team card. Bobby Witt Jr. M. Basalo rookie, Titans of the game. Best. Justin Peters rookie. Schneeman. O'Reilly. Pool Crushers. Kikuchi. Robles. Rookie Troy Johnson. Romy Gonzalez. Braden Bello. O'Neal Cruz. Rodriguez rookie. Randy Johnson on the Topps 75th anniversary insert. And Scooble on the stars of the game. Bowser. Chandler Simpson on the future stars. Style and Smiles. Jesus Luzardo. Warner. Brett. Dylan Smith rookie. Cole rookie. Pete Crow Armstrong. Jack McKinstry. Devers. Bubbick. Lauer. And Lindor on the stars of the game. Frazier. Padres team card. Nick Kurtz on the Topps All-Star insert. Second one of those we got. Peters. Ben Rice. Colby Thomas rookie. Corey Seager. Wacha. Abrams. Williams. Gilbert. Alex Freeland rookie. Albert Pujols on the Topps 75th anniversary insert. And a Pete Crow Armstrong on Titans of the game. Ruiz. Devonay rookie. Jackson Holiday. Reister. Aiden Birdsong Future Stars. Royals team card. Profar. Williams. Dodgers team card. Steven Kodlek. Estrada rookie. Jose Ramirez, stars of the MLB. Lennon Sosa on a silver refractor. And a rookie Nolan McLean on what looks to be like a silver glitter. Wait. Tong rookie. Skeens. India. Banfield rookie. Evan Smith. Naya. Nationals team card. Buxton. Lopez. Matt Strom. Otto Kemp rookie. Sosa. Jose Ramirez on the Profiles by Ken Griffey Jr. insert. And Bryce Harper on Titans of the Game. Beavers rookie. Vladdy Jr. Rayo. Barger. Tatis. Walter. Barrios. Rafaela. Trevor Miguel. Matt Shaw on the Topps 75 All-Stars. Marcelo Mayer, Future Stars insert. RBI leaders. Narvaez. And Corbin Carroll on the Stars of the Game. And last but not least, our silver foil board cards. Jorge Solar. Pearson Ole rookie. Garcia rookie. Reed Detmers. And Will Vest. And last but not least, our little Funko insert. Luis Suarez. Alrighty guys, we are all sleeved up. This is the absolutely gargantuan stack of base cards that we got. Nice stack of rookie cards, base. Our Future Star inserts. Rushing. Olamak. Our one and only Jose Ramirez insert. Profiles. Ken Griffey Jr. Our top 75th All-Star insert cards to Nick Kurtz and Matt Shaw. Our MLB Stars of the Game inserts. Carroll, Jose Ramirez, Lindor, Scooble, Tatis, and Kyle Teal rookie. Our Titan of the Game inserts. Harper, Pete Crow Armstrong, Salo rookie, and Tatis. Our Topps 75th anniversary cards. Albert Pujols, Randy Johnson, and rookie Jack Caglianone. Our silver glitter Nolan McLean rookie, and a refractor Lennon Sosa. And then our 5 silver foil board cards that we got. Rookie Pearson Ole, rookie Garcia, Reed Detmers, Will Vest, and Jorge Solar. I want to be completely honest, for the amount of cards that we just went through, for that to be all of the hits, there is definitely a good chance that I probably do not buy another one of those boxes. But hey, maybe you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a like. If you didn't, you can still leave me a like if you want. Always appreciate it. If you would like to stay up to date with the channel and see upcoming videos, and you want to subscribe, if you're sick and tired of sports cards, we have some Invincible single jumbo relic boxes. We have an Invincible Keepsake Hollow Edition box. We have the Invincible Hobby box. We got Select Blaster, Topps Chrome Blaster, Phoenix Mega, and an Optic Mega as well. So, a bunch of good stuff coming up on the channel. Hopefully it was better than this. And hopefully I see you in the next one.